Oh my goodness, ladies, you won't believe this, but my Louis Vuitton grew mold. You've last seen this bag in the vintage luxury thrift haul video, and I absolutely forgot about this bag and kept it in the hallway. And guess what? Just look at it now.
So you would notice a very bad mold overgrowth on the handles and even in between the stitchings and in the crevices. This is a close-up of the mold on the other handle.
Oh, it smells. Well, today I am going to teach you how to remove mold on leather bags in just 2 minutes. Those of you new to my channel, I am Lokie and I am so happy all of you clicked on this video to learn some DIY tricks to get rid of the mold. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for update videos, and let's get started.
You will need a face mask, Mould detergent in warm water, and another bowl with just warm water, a towel, and some paper towels. Firstly, allow the leather to dry in a warm room until completely dry. Next, put on your mask for personal protection and to prevent breathing in the fungal spores. Next, I have a paper towel and just get it moist in a bit of warm water. Now, remove the surface mold with a damp paper towel. Look at that. Look at all that mold I managed to remove from my bag. Okay. And let's look at the handle straps in detail now. Much cleaner than before. Also, just beware of the crevices like around the stitchings. Just make sure you get into the crevices. Okay, clean out as much mold as you can. I have chosen a nice sunny spot to dry out the leather bag again, and just to make sure that it completely dries out before I add the soap solution. Now, the last step is to pick up your cloth and gently dip it in some mild soap solution. Wring the cloth as dry as you can, and now we will just wipe down the handles. Okay, I will need 2 hands to do this, so I'll show you the results once I'm done. So now I'm just done wiping it with the mild soap solution, and it's absolutely clean, just drying it out in the sun. And as clean as I can get, you know. Let's have a look at the other side of the handles. So much cleaner now.
I hope you enjoyed these quick DIY home tips to help spruce up your leather bags. Thank you for watching this video and do like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates. Goodbye ladies!